All right. Hello, everyone. Hope you're all having a good week so far. I've really enjoyed watching all of your screencasts, a lot of good information on those to help me in my future teaching career. So today I'm going to show you a bit about how to use Wix. Now, if you're unfamiliar with how to build a website and nervous about what it entails, don't be. There are all sorts of different platforms that are essentially foolproof for building websites. And the beauty of it is the softwares are only getting better, they're more efficient and user-friendly. So website building can be an extremely useful tool for education. Several of my undergrad courses here at Dort, I had to build websites and I'm really better off for it. So whether you're building a class website or need a website for a certain activity, Wix is great. And you can even have your kids build their own website for an activity if you feel comfortable. So now let's jump into this great tool that is Wix. If you've worked with other website building tools like WordPress or Squarespace, you'll see some similarities between the three. All three have themes you can choose from and work through if you so desire. So first, once you've created your Wix account, it'll ask you a few questions. So there'll be something along the lines of what you want the website for. So here we'll say, all right, other, because I didn't see an education option. Other questions they may ask you are your experience building websites and what you want the website to do. And then it'll take you to this screen. And on the left it says you can answer a few simple questions and you'll automatically get a website generated for you in just minutes, or you can create your own website within the Wix editor. So let's do that. We'll click choose a template, and then on the left side here scroll down and there's an option for community and education. Let's click that and choose a site. Okay, what do we like? Cool. After school program. Edit. So give it just a little bit to load if you need. Hopefully it loads a little bit faster than mine. No guarantees though. All right, awesome. So once we're here, we can get going. So they have this template for you. It's got all sorts of stuff on here. In my opinion, it's kind of a lot to deal with, and maybe I wouldn't choose this template again, but let's roll with it. So, all right, up here we have the title of the website, ABC After School Program. So if we want to change that, all we do is click Edit Text. And then we can do something maybe like Ed50, I'll let go of the Shift button, Ed508. Okay, so now we got some spacing issues, things like that. Easy to fix. So we can delete this text box just by going over there and clicking that delete option. And then, okay, now here we can fix the spacing. All right, awesome. Now it looks okay. If we have an email we want to put up, things like that, we can put that in here. But let's continue moving on. So about section of your website. If you double click on about and click on it again, it'll take you to the about page here. So they have all sorts of stuff you can add. You can put pictures in. So if you want to change the picture, just change image. Click on that. It'll take you to your pictures on your computer. If you want to embed a link from a website, easy to do that. So, all right, say we want to edit some of this text on this website. Double click on the box, just highlight it, and hit backspace, and you can do whatever you want. So, maybe I can type something along the lines of Education 508 is a course in the graduate program at Dort College. It is taught by the wonderful Dr. Mulder, and in it you will learn all sorts of helpful tips regarding technology in education. Boom, easy as that. If I don't want any of this stuff, backspace, delete. Okay, awesome. Done. Again, just double click on all these things if you want to change them. Makes it really easy. So I hope that makes sense as far as editing certain pages and things. Now I want to show you a little bit about this section they have called apps. So on the left side of your screen, if you click on that, it'll take you to this app market. And in these, There are all sorts of different tools you can add to your website. Before, you had to code these things into your website and made it really difficult. Now, if you want to say have a comment option, or if you want to have something along the lines of Wix chat, all you do is click open app, let it load. Alright, now you can customize chat settings, you can add live chats, things like that. So you can change the header, you can choose where it goes, what it looks like, all sorts of things like that. Really, really simple, really great tools. You can add calendar to show your students when assignments are due and other things along those lines. So I know it's a really quick tutorial on what to do, but just some final steps as far as how to publish your website and make it live. So once you hit publish, this will come up, this little URL right here, and it will be a link to your site. So if you want to see it before it goes live, click view site, and this is a live look at what your website looks like at the moment. So I can click on the about page, see the great thing I typed about Dr. Mulder. I can look up here, it says Ed508. All those changes I made are right there. And then, okay, that's what it looked like. I like what it looks like. Then you just click done. And then your website is and should be published. So when you go to your account, you will be able to see all of your published websites, and you will be able to make changes and things like that. So I know it's a really quick tutorial, and I hope you learned something from it. Again, like Dr. Mulder said, YouTube can be your friend. There's all sorts of tutorials on how to build a website on Wix. So I hope you learned a little something today, and I appreciate you watching.